In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase game save data on Steam. So let's go to the library, and then over here, just look for the game that you want to erase its game save data. So for this case, I'm going to choose this game. So choose it and then right click on it, manage, and then browse local files. And then over here, just look for a folder that says saves or game saves or save data. If you can't find this folder, then there's another way, but if you do find it, then just click on that folder and then delete it, and then hopefully the save should be reset when you relaunch the game. If it still doesn't reset, then you can try running the game first, have it run in the background, and then delete the saves folder uh, while it's running, and that ensures Steam doesn't recover that file. But if you don't have the folder for the saves in here, then another way is to do this. Go to the store page of that game, click on this button, and then it's going to take you to the store page. So over here, just take note of this ID right here, 736260 in this game, so yours will be different. And once you've got note of this ID, 736260, just open up your file explorer. And then over here, we're going to go to this PC. And then go to wherever Steam is at. So mine is in the C drive. And then go to Program Files times 86 right here. Now click on Find Steam, so you can just click S, and there's Steam here. So click on Steam, and then scroll all the way down, you'll see user data. Click on that. And then this is going to be a list of your account IDs. So mine is probably this one, or nope, or this one. So when you click on one, you're going to see that there's a bunch of other numbered folders, and those represent your game IDs, what the games that you have are. So as you can see, there's this folder called 736260, which is the exact code of this game, and this is the folder that contains the game save data of this game. So you can just delete whatever's inside here, and the game save data should be reset after you relaunch the game. And that should work for now. And if it still doesn't work, there is still another way you can do this, which is by trying to go to the local app data or app data. So open up the run app. You can click on Windows R, or just go to task manager and then right click run, and then you can type this in, %local app data, click OK, and then over here just search for Steam, or search for the game that you have, and it might be here, because sometimes the directory of the save file can change. So you can find it here if you didn't, if the other methods didn't work. Otherwise, it should be probably in the %app data. So this is another folder with app data. So once you find your game in either %local app data or %app data, then just click on it and then delete that folder, and the game data should reset finally. And so yeah, one of these methods should work for you. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.